The first one that you could use in your bag of tricks, you could search for billboard. And Canva will give you all of the photographics that are billboard related that you could use. So you just pick whichever one that you like and then you start editing and adding. So I'm going to pick this one and I'm going to set it as background on my image. You press T for text and then you start adding your content. As easy as that. The next one that you could use that I absolutely adore is the outdoor wall. So if you search for outdoor wall, you get to view all of the beautiful outdoor kind of walls that you could add your quotes on there and it looks amazing. So you scroll down, you pick the one that you like and then you set it as a background and then you add your text. This is so appropriate, isn't it? So we're gonna press T for text and then we're going to add text. Imperfect consistency is better than perfection. Download, post it on social media. The next one that you could use, you could search for clipboard. And with your clipboard, and you go to your photos, the beautiful different kinds of clipboards that you could use and add your quote. So we're going to set this one as background and then we add our quote there. And your fourth one that you could use is your sign. You search for sign, you click on photos and then you scroll down to go find your sign. Something like this one. Set it as background, same scenario. You add your text. The last one that you could use is the wall frame. So you search for wall frame and you go to your photos to have a look at the different beautiful wall frames that you could search for, look for, like this gorgeous looking one with a background stone wall. You add your text. Download it and post it on social media. So those are the few that you could use. They're not limited to this. Use your Canva as a search functionality or as a Google for whatever you need and whatever you are looking for your designs. I'm super obsessed in helping you get on your feet when it comes to design. If you're a business owner, go back to doing what you absolutely love, but sharing the amazing looking designs on social media. Next, you could watch a video on how to treat color or different kinds of colors when it comes to Canva. I will see you on the next video.